What's up guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this question that says the square root of x into the square root of x is equals to 3 square root of 3. Now we have to find the value of x. So the first thing guys we want to simply do right here is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the root of x all into the root of x all square is equals to 3 the root of 3 all square. So this is going to cancel out this, and we have this to be x the square root of x is equal to 3 square multiply the root of 3 all square. So this is going to give us x the square root of x is equal to 3 square is 9 multiply this, cancel out this, we have this to be 3. So from here we have that x into the square root of x is equals to 9 multiplied 3 is 27. So right here we want to simply square both sides one more time, and we have this to be x into the square root of x all square is equal to 27 square. So separating this, we have this to be x square multiply the root of x all square is equal to 27 square. So from here we have this to be x square multiply this, cancel out this, we have this to be x, which is equal to 27 square. Now note that this is raised to the power of 1, so applying the exponent property that says if we have a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of n plus n. So applying this property here, we have this to be x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is equal to 27 square. But you want to note that 27 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 3. So this becomes x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3, which is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 all square. So we can rewrite this by saying this is x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 3 square all raised to the power of 3. We can easily interchange this from property of exponent that says if we have a raised to the power of n raised to the power of m is the same thing as a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of m. So that is what we apply right here. So from this we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 3 squares written as 9 raised to the power of 3. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange the equation and set it to 0. So this becomes x raised to the power of 3 minus 9 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So right here we want to simply apply the difference of cubic formula. So applying the difference of cubic formula, we have the cubic formula if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So from here we want to simply apply that. So we have x raised to the power of 3 minus 9 raised to the power of 3, and we have x to be a and 9 to be b. So this is equal to x minus 9 into a square, which is x square, plus a, which is x, multiply b, which is 9, plus b square, which is 9 square. So this is equal to x minus 9 into x square plus 9x plus 9 square is 81. So hence we have the equation to be x minus 9 into x square plus 9x plus 81 is equals to 0. So from here we have that x minus 9 is equals to 0, or x squared plus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0. So from here we have this to be x is equals to 0 plus 9 and x is equals to 9. So we can call this x1. So we have been able to find the first value of x. So we're going to say for x squared plus 9x plus 81 equals to 0, we are going to solve using the quadratic formula. So solve using the quadratic formula, and we have the quadratic formula to be given as x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all into 2a. And from this part we have that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 9, and c is equals to 81. So from here we have that x is equals to minus 9 plus minus the square root of b square, which is 9 square minus 4, multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 81, all into 2, multiply a, which is 1. So x is equals to minus 9 plus minus the square root of 9 square is 81 minus 4 multiply 1 is 4, multiply 81 over 2. Alright? So from here we have that x is equals to minus 9 plus minus the square root. Now from the square root we want to simply factor out the common term, which is 81. So we have this to be 81 into 1 minus 4 divide 2. So we have x is equals to minus 9 plus minus the square root of 81 into, now 1 minus 4 is going to give us minus 3, divide 2. So x is equals to minus 9 plus minus the square root of 81 multiply the square root of negative 3 over 2. So x is equals to minus 9 plus minus the square root of 81 is 9 into the square root of 3 into the square root of negative 1 over 2. But the square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So from here we have that x is equals to minus 9 plus minus 9 root 3I over 2. Okay, so we have been able to find the second and third value for x. So we say x2 is equal to minus 9 plus 9 the square root of 3I over 2, and x3 is equal to minus 9 root 3I over 2. So this becomes the value of x. So we say hence the roots are giving us, we have x1 to be equal to 9, x2 is equal to minus 9 plus 9 root 3I over 2, and x3 is equal to minus 9 square root of 3I over 2. And this becomes the value of x from this question right here.